Hi, this is a little video for you to use as homework during your weeks in between Pilates sessions. So, if you're looking to build strength or stability in your transverse abdominals or anywhere in your abdominal region, in your glutes, um, and you're looking to get stronger in your everyday movements, either in your dancing or your other outdoor activities, do this video either 1 to 2 times a week in addition to your regular Pilates class, or do it 3 to 5 times a week. Get really good at it and start implementing it into like a daily/weekly routine. Okay, yeah, great. So it's just I think it's 5 or 6 exercises. We're gonna do 10 reps of each. Feel free to do more or less, but 10 is like pretty intermediate. So we're gonna start with these half roll downs, and you're gonna start sitting on your tush, digging your heels into the mat and lifting your arms out in front of you. And you want to be right over those sit bones. So the hips aren't backwards, back behind the sit bones, but your hips are right on top of those sit bones. Ribs are right on top of the hips. Shoulders are right on top of the ribs. Earlobes are right on top of the shoulders. And you're trying to lift up with these abdominals. So you're trying to get taller in your abs on your inhale. On your exhale, you're going to come into your pelvic tilt too and just scoop your abs back. So you're now in your transverse abdominals. Big inhale, hollow out the belly, and then sit up tall. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, curl. Inhale, hold. Exhale, roll up. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, come into your pelvic tilt. Exhale, hold. Inhale, curl. Exhale, lengthen. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hollow out the belly. Inhale, keep scooping those abs. Exhale, sit up tall. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, hollow. Inhale, scoop. Rounding forward, shoulders over hips. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, curl. Inhale, hollow. Exhale, roll. Inhale, lengthen. Scooping those low abs. Abs are still working even right now. Inhale, pull belly back towards the spine, spine towards the belly. Curl. Inhale, scoop those abs even more as you exhale, round and sit up tall. Inhale, lengthen, ears up. Exhale, roll. Inhale, hollow. Exhale, right up on top of those sit bones. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, curve. Inhale, scoop. Exhale, sit up tall. Last one. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, curve. Inhale, scoop. Exhale, roll. Good. Excellent. So those were just to train your transverse abdominals to really curve and hollow out in the low back. Now lie on your back, feet underneath your glutes, head is reaching away from the hips. Big inhale. We're going to keep our neutral spine. So our pubic bone and hip bones face the ceiling. You're just going to press the hips straight up. Inhale. Exhale, lower. Inhale, press the hips up. Fully exhale. there's this nice little arch in your low back. Belly is towards your spine, spine is towards your belly. Lower back down. Inhale, press. Inhale, exhale, lower. 2 breaths. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, press. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, press. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lengthen shoulders away from the ears. Press from those glutes. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, lift. Draw the belly to the spine, spine towards the belly. Lengthen. Exhale, move. Scoop the abs. Shoulders glide towards the hips. Scooping, 2 more. Pull the ribs back. Last one. Exhale, lift. Inhale, scoop. Exhale, lower. Beautiful. Beautiful. Round your low back, just kind of shake out that little contraction we made in the glutes. So that exercise is to strengthen your little bum, to work on your neutral spine and keep your belly connected towards your spine. So now we're gonna do some crab walks. And if you're an advanced practitioner, put that band around your ankles. If you're a newbie, put that band around your thighs. So we're gonna do about 40 reps here, and we're gonna come into like a little squat. So I'm pulling my tush backwards, and then I'm just gonna side step. 3, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm gonna go side to side. 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So we want to stay low. 17, and we want to try not to do this. We just got to stay low. And then we want to feel it in the outer hips. We're scooping our abdominals back towards our spine, spine towards our belly. Good, we're going to start all over. There, 10 more. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Excellent. Hopefully you're feeling that right around here. Now we're going to do these standing lunges. So you're going to stand up and bring your feet parallel. Lengthen your sit bones right under your hips, hips under ribs, ribs under shoulders, shoulders under ears. As you lunge forward, you're going to keep your ears over shoulders, shoulders over ribs, ribs over hips. You're on this incline. And as you come back, you're going to come back straight up. So we're trying to bring our ears right back over our hips. Lunging, come back up. Hands can go to your hips. 3. Toe ball heel, toe ball heel, toe ball heel, toe ball heel. 6. So abs are pulling back. 7. You're like a piece of bamboo. Just kind of keeping those knees. Good, left side. Lunge forward. Abs. Pull back. 2. So we want to get you to, so that you could do this without any support. 3. So where you're not using a chair or a couch, but that you're balancing on your left leg, pushing back to your right leg, pushing off your right leg to your left leg, pushing off your left leg to your right leg. 3. Push back. 2. Push back. 1. Now, if that was easy, you could always do this all the way down. Push shoulders back over hips. 2. Press shoulders back over hips. 3. Abs lift you up. Good. Let's do the other side. So this is a advanced version 2 of a lunge. A lot more for this supporting leg, which is your right leg. Good. Good. So now we're just going to foam roll. Grab your foam roller, sit on your booty, and we're going to work on our glutes. So you're going to put that right under your sit bones and rock forward and back. 2. And we're only going to do 6 reps. 3. So it's not a very big range of motion. 5. 6. You're going to lean to the right side. Put that right glute on and just go forward and back. 2. And then just relax the glutes. 4. You can go all the way up to that hip bone. 5. 6. Good, other side. You're gonna roll on over to that left glute and go up to that hip bone and back. 2. So you're kind of leaning to the left. 3. 4. 5. 6. Excellent. So now we've done both bums. Now we're going to do our side hip. So come onto that right elbow, roll, and pull back all the way up to that hip. And see if you can get both legs off the floor. And you're kind of finding sticky spots that feel tight and sinking your weight into those as you roll. 3. 4. 5. 6. Good. Whew, you're gonna roll onto your belly. Put both thighs on and you're gonna army crawl forward and back. So I'm going to the tops of my kneecaps and then all the way to my pubic bone, and I'm lifting my abdominals upwards. Last one. Sinking my thighs into that. Good. I'm going to stay on my left elbow. I'm going to turn around, put my back towards you, and then roll. And roll. So I'm army crawling on my left elbow too. 3. 4. 4. 5. 6. Good. Last thing, we're going to roll to our upper back. You're going to put that roller on your upper back, like rib cage, hands behind your head, to just go back up to like the neck and all the way to the ribs, or as far as you can go. If you can go up here into these abdominals, great. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Just go to your ribs and head. You're gonna have to use your glutes. You're gonna have to lift those hips. Sinking all of your weight into that roller. Last one. I guess one more. And you, my friends, are done with your little Pilates strengthening routine. So that's just a great way to kind of start your day or end your day, and to remind your body what muscles to recruit, and strong abs, strong glutes, and a nice open body with the foam roller. Strong hips is going to really help day to day with everything that you do. So highly recommend this or some version of this or a Pilates class. Hope you have a great day. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you soon.